How to download digital files on Etsy. First, you can choose or add in cart or buy now directly. After that, you can submit order and find your files here. In View Details, you can see the bottom download here. Or later, you can go your account, purchases and reviews, and find the download files button there. When you open this page, you'll see instructions and a button to download your files. You should know, if you try to do this in mobile app, you might see a message saying, digital items can't be downloaded from the app, but you can still download them. For example, you can find the download link in your email, or open the Etsy website directly in your mobile browser. Then you can download the files to your phone. But keep in mind that you can only open PDF files on your phone, not zip files. You can return to your files anytime to download them again. After opening the PDF file that you purchased and downloaded, you need to follow the links on the first page. There are Google Drive links to different formats of patterns: full size, letter, or A4 size. Choose the one that suits you. There are a lot of files with patterns, which is why we physically cannot upload them directly into the listings. While on Google Drive, select the size you need, right-click and download it to your device. On the second page of the PDF file, scan the QR code, which will show you detailed video instructions for sewing the product you purchased. Thank you for your purchase.